Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. I know y'all like, what the heck is that? I know. I had to change it up a little bit. I had to get it more hype. You know what I'm saying? Because that's more my personality. So I had to change the intro. We all got to get used to it because I got to get used to it. So let me run it back one more time. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. That's the new intro. I hope y'all like it. I had to get it more me. Like, that's all me. If y'all heard that before, I never did. I made that up. So that's what I had to do, okay? So, yeah. So what we are about to do today is do an unboxing of this MUNBYN thermal label printer, okay? So what this is going to do, I'm going to open, I have not opened it yet. I literally just got it. Excuse my chair. It's doing some things. But what we're going to do, give me 2 seconds, is I'm going to show you how give me 1 second. I'm going to unbox it, and then I'm going to show you how we can not only make labels, we can make stickers. Okay, so I know this is kind of different from what I do. Y'all probably not gonna give me that many views and stuff, but it's okay though. We still gonna go ahead and do it because I'm excited about it. Oh, and disclaimer about my shirt, it says real, not perfect. I did make this shirt. It was one of my first shirts, one of my first shirts, and that's why it's like, it's not the right side. It's supposed to be more centered, so I'm gonna bring these out and make it right, because I still love it. Real, not perfect. I still love it, but it's too, y'all know, if y'all make shirts and stuff, y'all know this is not the right amount of inches it's supposed to be. So that's a full disclaimer, because I'm real, not perfect. But I was wearing a shirt today, and I said I wasn't gonna change. So here we are. Anywho, so I'm gonna open it, and then I purchased these from Amazon. You can purchase this from Amazon, but I'm gonna show you why I'm at just a little bit different. Okay, so this is my first time opening it. It's MUNBYN or MUNBYN. It says focus on every powerful moment. That's deep, y'all. Y'all know I like them quotes and stuff, so I like that. So I'm about to open it. Okay, I'm about to open it. This is my first time opening it. Let's check out the box. Okay, so this is a direct thermal label printer, thermal black mark paper. All right. Hello. Okay, so as soon as I open it, it gives some quick tips. It says, if you were printing your labels on a regular printer previously, please change your label size from 8.5 to 11 to 4x6 on the website that generates your labels. Okay. It says most platforms, including eBay, Amazon, Shopify, and others, support both sizes, but are set to 8.5 by 11 size by default. And then it gives us a website and a QR code. Okay. Comes with the cord. How y'all doing? I ain't been in front of the camera in a minute. I missed y'all. Okay. And then this is how it is inside of here. packed nice and tight. Remember when I burned myself on the heat press? That's the burn on my arm. It's not going away. Okay, so you can get this from Amazon, but you can't get the pink from Amazon. Pink is my favorite color. If y'all have not known that already, pink is my favorite color. Look how cute this is. Okay, it's so cute. Let me give you the size in case people ask. It is 1.57 inches to 4.33. All right. So this is the size. It's so cute. I'm going to show you. I believe this is the top. Excuse me. This is the top. This is the front. This is the back. This is a sample for factory testing. It's a good on and off switch. Some USB. If they need some support, it's their WhatsApp number and their Facebook message. Then this is the bottom. So this is how it looks. Now this is also what it came with. A USB adapter for Mac. And I do have a Mac. This cord. These things in here. This is a card. A card reader. This is the printer driver install. So how to install it. The user guide. Oh, they gave some free labels. Some free labels. I actually bought a ton from Amazon. And of course, y'all know the link's going to be below. And then I bought, because this is what I'm looking for, y'all. I cannot wait to use these. Okay. But they gave some free ones just to start with. Just a little starter. And then, what's in here? Some more cords. Okay, so this is me unboxing it. I guess, let's see what this open button does. Ooh, isn't that fancy? So it's an open button at the top, and it opens up. And then this is the front, this is the back. So what you do with the labels, I'm going to do it this way. You put them in this way. But this thing right here, you can loosen it or tighten it. So it can grasp it. Can y'all see that? So these two things right here, you can loosen them or tighten them so it can clasp the paper. Okay? So that's cool. Then these pages are all connected, and they have the areas where you could tear off here. So it's very easy. It's a lot easier when you're shipping. So your shipping labels, you want to make, there we go. Okay, I was able to scoot them. So you push them in together. I don't want it too tight. But you want to tighten the, so it can feed through easily. Okay. And this is a thermal printer. And what a thermal printer does is, and you hear that, it clasps back. A thermal printer does not use ink. So previously I've been using ink to ship things off with my HP printer. But this is a thermal printer. You guys can Google what that means. So I'm not going to have to pay for ink anymore. I did have to purchase this, and I'm going to put the price there because honestly, I forgot how much it was. It wasn't $200. It was $100 and some odd dollars. So I've been doing research on a ton. And this one came back so with good reviews, and these stickers are to buy. So I'm going to set everything up, and then I'll come back and show you how it prints out the stickers. I probably won't do any shipping labels because I don't want to put anybody's address or anything on there. I could see if maybe I could do a test or something. But I will go ahead, set everything up, download the drivers that I need to download, and then I'll go ahead and show you how I can make some thank you stickers, packaging stickers. You can sell these if you want with your business. The possibilities are endless. Okay, the possibilities are endless. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let me set this up on my Mac. I do have a Mac laptop, and then we're gonna be back, y'all. I love y'all. Do y'all know that? Do y'all know that? If you new here and you don't know, if nobody love you, I love you. I love y'all. Let me get this all situated and stuff. Okay, y'all, here are all the technical things, right? This is everything that came with it. I have everything all set out. And then I wanted to show y'all, you know, my little stand right there, my little stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so I plugged in all of the cords. I put the USB in. I pressed the power. Now I'm downloading the drivers for my Mac laptop. Okay, so let's see if I did this right and if it prints out right. First time ever. Let's see. It did it! Yes! Look how cute this is. Okay. So we're going to do some more. Yeah, it's upside down, but it did it. Okay. All right. Let's get another one. I created the designs in Canva. You already see that in the background. If you guys want to see a video on how I created the designs, I was inspired by the person who I actually saw made these. She's in one of the Facebook groups. But if you want to see that video, let me know. Y'all know I'll do it. With my logo. Print. We're going to make this a default. Oh, sorry, you ain't even seeing it. Oh, okay, so the do shop on, it kind of didn't do right. So, okay, that's cool. See, it's test and trials. So the do shop on, I'll have to remove that thing from the back. I'll have to remove the rectangle. You can't do layers. Print. We got to make sure the settings, I'm going to make sure. Not too fast. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to try to do it with one hand. This has like glue on it. Excuse my ring light. I'm sorry. My phone was supposed to be recording while I was using my iPad, but it did not work out right. And that's why I didn't even record. I was trying to get y'all angles, but it didn't work right. So now that stupid thing is in the picture, in the frame, when it shouldn't be. It's red. Yay! Alright, now let's look at it. Oops. It's still cute. It's a little crooked. Hold up, because of how I put it in there. Let's check out the other ones. Thank you for your purchase, beautiful. www.doshopfun.com. This one messed up because it doesn't show multiple things, and it only, multiple layers. Thank you for your support. Your business means the world to me. Now, some of these look, you see that? I'll have to make sure that's the sticker. I have to make sure that that's all together. Let me fix those, because y'all know how I am. So give me 2 seconds. Okay, so the problem is I got to get the stand so that it can come out smooth. But it's good. We got it now. Let's take this off. Okay. There we go. Yay! And this is a thermal printer, so this is not ink. There we go. Okay. I think I want to do maybe 1 or 2 more. Yes, how y'all see how those cords and stuff is back there? So that's my fault. I gotta make sure it's feeding right. Where'd it go? It's so cute. Oh. I'm showing you how I'm saving it as a preset. So people ask me how I save presets. So this is how I'm saving it as a pink stickers preset for this specific printer. For this size, the 2.25 by 1.25, this is how I'm saving it. So the sticker labels I got from Amazon, and the link will be down below. And easy peasy, that's a wrap. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please holler at your girl. If you guys want me to show you how I design these in Canva, please let me know, because I'll be more than happy to go over that and I can show you how to design them. If you have any video suggestions, please let me know. Share any comments down below. If you have enjoyed Queen Dreamer, make sure y'all join us. We love it over there. Yeah, but y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. And remember, dreams come a size too big so we can grow in them. Word to Josie Bissett. And if you have not already, please subscribe to your girl and click that bell so you can be notified when I make new videos. But y'all, do y'all see this? We on that road to 10K subscribers, and we are at 7,715. I love y'all, dreamers. Y'all the bomb. I cannot take it. I can't believe it. I can't. But I love y'all. If y'all ain't know that, know that. If nobody don't love you, I love you. Y'all have a good day. Y'all be safe. See y'all next time. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.